Hey, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to use YouTube Research tab for keywords. To access YouTube Studio Research tab for keyword research, sign into YouTube Studio, right? Using your desktop browser, or download YouTube Studio from your App Store or Google Play. Go to Analytics in the side panel here. Let me zoom in just to show you. Right? At the third option, Analytics. Inside, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the Research tab or the Trending tab, or Trends. Now, this native tool reveals what viewers are searching for on your channel across YouTube, helping you identify video topics and content gaps. You can explore keywords across YouTube, enter a topic, and analyze the search volume. So, the history of architecture in New York, for example. You can see what people are watching. Okay, by just zooming in, or let me zoom out. You can also hit show all, right? And you can bookmark the search if you want to go back to it later. Maybe you have like a writer's gap, right? Where you can't basically write a content or make your content, then you can just save it for basically for future research, maybe more deep dive. Now, you can check your viewer searches. This tab shows the exact keywords your specific audience is typing into YouTube to find content. You can use these terms to create highly relevant videos that your current subscribers and viewers are actively interested in. Also, don't forget to identify the content gaps. Click all searches drop down and select content gaps only. Right? A content gap means viewers are searching for these terms, but existing search results are either outdated, low quality, or non-existent. Targeting these keywords gives you a high probability of capturing new traffic. And don't forget to save, as we said before. You can bookmark or select the heart icon here to save your search. When you find a good keyword, click the heart icon, right, to save it to your list. And the three-dot menu also allows you to jump directly into Google Trends to check the keyword's trajectory over time, right? And also if the topic is appropriate or viral in your region. So consider liking this video, subscribe. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.